Oh, hi, good afternoon. Okay, well, by the way, my name is Jacko. So I'm gonna be your teacher for today. So how do you want me to call you? I mean, yeah, how do you want me to call you? Hope na andyan na yung estudyante no? Kasi the last time I made a video supposedly for a free conversation, I was not able to make it because nag-no-show. Nag-no-show si Bagets. Hopefully, successful tayo ngayon sa ating recording. So, 18 seconds left. Malalaman mo yan on the 10th second. Ganda na siya. So, wala pa siya. It's not actually waiting on the other side. Wala pa. It's already time. Wala pa rin yung estudyante. What's happening? This is the second attempt for a free conversation. The first attempt was a no-show. Oh, hi, good afternoon. Okay, well, by the way, my name is Jacko. So I'm gonna be your teacher for today. So how do you want me to call you? I mean your name. Okay. Okay, well, I'm happy to know that you're doing fine, all right? Well, before our lesson, could you please check if you can hear me clearly? Okay. What about my video? Can you see me clearly? Okay. Well, since this is our first time to have a lesson, let's have a brief introduction to get to know each other better. Okay. So, well, again, my name is Jacko. I'm from Davao City, Philippines. Have you been to the Philippines? Okay, but you're always welcome to visit here, okay, in my country. But of course, after the pandemic, all right? And back in the university, I finished a degree in business and accounting. Okay, so this is actually my field before, before having this job as an online English tutor. All right, and yeah, and I'm a former accountant and also a former professor in a university. All right, I taught business and research subjects. Okay, and love Japanese food. I love sushi, takoyaki, sashimi, what else? Okonomiyaki, ramen, and soba. Okay, so maybe in my past life, I'm a Japanese. Okay, what about you can share about yourself? Okay, well, since you mentioned many hobbies, you can say my hobbies are. Okay. Okay, so why you love to play soccer? So who influenced you to play soccer? Mm. I mean, who influenced you? Who influenced you, or who taught you? Okay, who taught you to play soccer? Is it your father? Okay. Okay, so your brother, all right. And who's your favorite soccer player? Wow, I don't know him. Okay. I might. Can you write in the chat box so that I can also Google who he is? Yeah, Christian. What was that? It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Let me guess. He's a Brazilian, right? Ah, Portuguese. Okay, so he's a Portuguese player. Okay, well, that's interesting. Okay. Are you an athlete before? Are you an athlete in high school? Okay, so you're a varsity in a university, right? An athlete. Are you an athlete? Let me put that in your chat box. Are you an athlete at at okay? You say no, I'm not. Okay. Okay, that's okay. It's fine. So you're not an athlete, but you really love to play soccer, right? Okay. Okay, so you know what, your introduction, okay? I truly appreciate that you know what, you're giving me all this information. Thank you so much, right? And as I can see here, in your student's request, you wanted to do a free conversation. Would you like to do this or would you like to do something else? So it's a free conversation, right? Would you like to use a material? Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about food, okay? So you would like to continue having a free conversation, okay? So about food. Yeah, I also like food, okay? Because I like Japanese food, right? So, son, what is your favorite food? What about takoyaki? Do you like takoyaki? Yeah. Allergy. So you can say, I'm allergic to the. Or you can say seafood. Okay. So in general, so you can say, I'm allergic to seafood. Okay. So allergic. Let me put that in your chat box, okay? So that you can also read. I'm allergic to seafood. Can you read? So you can say I'm allergic to seafood. Okay, so okay, maybe there's a lot of food, okay? So you don't have to worry, okay? So now you said you like ramen, okay? So where can we find the best ramen in Japan? What city or what prefecture? Is that correct? Okay. So why? Why do you think that Fukuoka prefecture has the best ramen in Japan? Now I like takoyaki very much. Where can I find the best takoyaki in Japan? So you can say Osaka. Osaka is I mean takoyaki originates, okay, or originated. Let me put that in your chat box, okay? Takoyaki originated in Osaka, right? Okay, so the first takoyaki was made in Osaka, right? Okay, very good. Okay, thank you for that suggestion. If I will go to your country and then if I will try takoyaki, I would definitely visit Osaka, right? Okay. So what about sashimi? Where can I find the best sashimi in Japan? Actually, I was a victim of wasabi before. Some of my friends actually, made a prank on me. Okay, so they tried to like put a lot of wasabi, and then they said that it was like a green caramel. They said it's sweet and tasty. So I eat a lot of wasabi, and then you know what happened next, right? So it burst somewhere in my face. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, at some point it's very spicy, and it does not go down, but it goes up into your nasal passages, right? And then all over your face, and you will not know what to do. I thought I'm gonna die during that time. But of course, after that, I like the after effect in the nasal passage because there is a cooling effect. Okay? There's a cooling effect in the nose, and I felt after that, like after maybe like 30 seconds after that, I learned to like it. Okay, so that's the reason why I like sashimi and then wasabi. Okay, partner with wasabi. Right. So where can I find the best sashimi in Japan? Okay, so yeah, if I will try takoyaki, I will go to Osaka. Then if I'll try sashimi, I will go to Kyoto or Hokkaido, right? Like how far is Osaka from Tokyo? How far is Osaka from Tokyo? Or you can say it takes. Okay. So it's like 500 kilometers. It will just take like 1 or 2 hours, right? That's 500. Okay. Yeah, I think I've heard. It will just take you like 2 hours, right? Osaka to Tokyo to Osaka. Is that correct? It takes 2 hours. Takes 2 hours to go to Osaka from Tokyo by train. Okay? So you can say it this way. Can you read? I wrote in your chat box. Okay, so that's how you say it. Alright? Or if it's by plane, you can also say it takes 2 or 1 hour, right? By plane. It takes 1 hour to go to Osaka from Tokyo by plane. Okay? That's how you say it. Great job. Alright? So, what about Hokkaido? How far is Hokkaido from Tokyo? To prepare a lot of money, right? You don't have money? Why? Okay. Okay. So you spend a lot of money during your spring vacation, right? Okay, so how many days is your spring vacation? Wow, that's very long. Okay. So you will really, spend so much money for 3 months, right? Okay, so after your spring vacation, what do you do after? Do you go to work? Yeah, how's your, let me put that in your chat box. How's your setup? Okay, as a part-time worker, part-time worker, and as a student. So how's your setup as a I study in the morning and work in the evening. Okay? So you can also say it that way. Can you read? I wrote in your chat box. Okay. Truly, yeah, truly you are a very hardworking person. So today we did a free conversation, all right, and we talked about many things. Okay, so we talked about food, all right, and we also talked about traveling, and then we also talked about your sports, all right. So again, you're doing a great job. Okay, so you can communicate well. You are good in pronunciation. Okay, so that's what I observe. You're good in pronunciation, so that's one of your strengths. Okay, so continue doing that, and um, just work on your vocabulary. Okay, I noticed earlier that you're having some pauses. Maybe you are thinking of the right words to say, right? So you lost for words. It's common to us non-native English speakers. Sometimes we lost for words. Okay, I know that it's in your head already, meaning the idea is there, but but we're just having a hard time expressing it in English. Okay, to improve that, all you just need to do is to improve your vocabulary. That includes phrases and idiomatic expressions. Okay, so that you will be able to express yourself well. But other than that, overall, you're doing a great job. Okay, and thank you for booking my class and looking forward to seeing more of you again. Right? So I don't want to say this, but bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day. See you. Bye bye.